This video features standard cooking steps and more robust taste options. Look out for the icon throughout the video to cook up a more robust tasting dish. You can scan the QR code on our packaging to view the easy cooking video. Video subtitles are available in multi-languages. With our convenient, easy-to-use complete sauce for Char Kway Teow, you can now make your very own delicious Char Kway Teow in 4 easy steps. Char Kway Teow is a wok fried noodle in soya sauce and a hint of chili with a delectable taste of wok hei or smoked fragrance. Here is what you will need to prepare authentic Char Kway Teow at home. Depending on your preference, you may use cooking oil or pork lard oil for a more robust taste. Watch till the end to learn how to make your own pork lard oil and crispy pork lard. We recommend Prima taste Hokkien noodle. For Kway Teow, here are some brands that we recommend, available at your local supermarkets. If you would like a richer flavor, you may use prawn stock instead of water. Watch till the end to learn how to prepare the prawn stock. Let's start cooking. Step 1. Heat a wok over medium heat and add cooking oil. You may use pork lard oil instead of cooking oil. When oil is hot, add Chinese sausage and fry till it sizzles and turns golden. You may keep your stove at the same consistent heat throughout the cooking of this dish. Step 2. Add Kway Teow and Hokkien noodle into the wok. Stir-fry noodles until smoking and continue to stir-fry until fragrant. Next, add garlic, bean sprout, choy sum, ku chai and fish cake. You may add prawns for extra flavor. Stir-fry and mix everything in well. Keep stirring until the ku chai are fully cooked and the other vegetables are just cooked. Step 3. Add Prima taste Char Kway Teow complete sauce and stir-fry till noodles are evenly coated. Keep stirring occasionally until the wok is hot and plenty of smoke is released. Depending on your preference, you may add Prima taste sambal chili at this stage if you desire a spicier dish. Step 4. Pour water around the edge of the wok. You may use prawn stock instead of water for extra flavor. Water should sizzle as it touches the hot wok. Then you may add in fresh or frozen cockle meat. Mix well. Pour noodles to one side of the wok and add cooking oil to the empty area of the wok. You may use pork lard oil instead of cooking oil. Make sure the oil is hot before adding in the eggs. Pull the noodles to the side again to give the eggs more area to cook. Continue to stir the eggs occasionally until it is almost cooked. Mix the eggs into the noodles evenly. You may need to scrape the bottom of the wok to make sure the eggs do not stick to it. If you prefer, add in some crispy pork lard here. Char Kway Teow is ready to serve. Delicious Char Kway Teow, ready in 4 easy steps. Cook your own Char Kway Teow at the comfort of your home anytime. Not only is our complete sauce convenient and easy to use, it is also value for money, offering an average savings of about 60% as compared to other food outlets. Now, here are the steps to preparing your own pork lard oil and crispy pork lard. Step 1. Add water and salt in a bowl and mix well. Then add pork lard cubes and soak for 15 minutes. Strain the pork lard cubes. Step 2. Add the pork lard cubes to a wok on medium-high heat. Fry continuously until oil is released and the pork lard turns golden brown and crispy. And we will now show you the steps to preparing prawn stock. Step 1. Add 200 milliliters water to a pot and bring it to a high boil. Add whole prawns and stir continually till prawns are evenly cooked. This should take approximately 2 to 3 minutes. Step 2. Remove prawns from the pot. Twist off prawn head and peel off shell, then devein prawns and set aside the prawn meat for cooking of Char Kway Teow. Place the prawn shells and heads back into the pot and high boil for 2 to 3 minutes or until the prawn stock reduces by about half. Step 3. Strain stock through a sieve. Check out our website for more cooking videos.